How you doing? I know it's really late over there in Europe right now. It's about 1 or 2 a.m. in the morning in Europe. And it should be 12 or 1 in Nigeria. I just get off from work. Like I said, I worked 10 hours today. Fortunately, you know, when cat go to Benin, home will become rat home. What that means, why I was at work today for 10 hours. Social media network, Facebook, YouTube, it become rat and cockroach home because the tiger and the lion combined is not home. When lion and tiger leave zone, forest, antelope, grass cutter, they go to jump. They go to jump. They go to jump. Abi, not be so. Good evening, Destiny. So, I was supposed to work for 3 straight days. In my proverb, they said, it's only a foolish man or a stupid person, a crazy man, that we say, it's not my business. It's Oshomole business. It's a pastor business. But a genuine man, a man that have number one, that have brain, we understand that when your friend and your father and your brother is in pain, you should also be in pain. Also, I want every man and woman to share this video. As I'm doing this video this midnight, when they wake up in the morning, they will come and meet it. When I wake up, I will do another one. From tomorrow, I have canceled my work because of Comrade Adamali Oshomole and Pastor Sage Zeyamu. Because I found out that all day throughout, my people, how many people now see for Canada when come out and defend Oshomole and Pastor Sage Zeyamu? 0. How many people you see for Europe that came out to defend Comrade Adamali Oshomole and Pastor Sage Zeyamu or even speak the truth? Nobody. How many people you see from Nigeria that come and do live video and defend and speak the truth about Comrade Adamali Oshomole and Pastor Sage Zeyamu? How many? Jabrata. How many people they write copy, they clean their name, they will clean the writer name and put their name. For inside WhatsApp group, many hundreds. Now those people, pamphlet degree, now they carry this problem they waka. Because after we fight the fight, those people, they will come and say, that guy don't have a doctor degree. He don't have master degree. He don't have a RCO Obaseki fake result. Now they come apart from John Mayaki that I don't know. I've never met him. Who I see that is trying. Let's call a spade a spade. You know? And Comrade Tony Kabaka Adu plus myself, John Ibizugbe, Voice of Justice. Who other person? So to take social media was for them. So I see that I say, whoa, now so Bini people be. Or for everything when Oshomole do for Bini, one person of it come out talk with Oshomole do. When I tell them social media is the power, they didn't believe it. I told them, if Pastor Sage Zeyamu is listening, he should listen very well now. Social media, Facebook, YouTube, that is the power. He owed the power to Sadebe Avenue this 2020. Those people not the Instagram. They not the Twitter. You see all these women that is sending money to their parents. All these men that is sending money to their parents. The Eranomigo don't migrate them from Facebook to YouTube. Now YouTube then they end now. That is why you see I never go Instagram. Benin people, they don't know how to go Instagram. They know they tweet. Now Facebook and YouTube. If pastor or Comrade Adamali Oshomole want people to hear what they are doing, now Facebook and YouTube. After all, ART, they don't even reach a terrorist about Obaze viewer, not to talk of my viewer, for YouTube. ART video where they put since yesterday, now 500 people. Now they still get 500. And at that ART, when they pump money, they put. The Channel TV, now they make Channel TV, they get viewer. Because now only Channel TV now they run to. Once we begin sharing, then Channel TV will just they happy, they will be reaping the fruit of our labor. Very soon, we will ask all our followers not to share them again. Let me tell you people the truth. This social media, now mega comrade, now I bring the power of social media into politics. 2016, they don't get power. When I start to expose government corruption, that is where a lot of people now understand the power of social media. You know what I'm saying? So, just like my father, you know, our amiable leader, the father of all comrades, Comrade Adamali Oshomole, two-time executive governor of Edo State, just like he stated today. I want you people to listen and share this video. I said today, no sleep you. Let's go.
A political party is a voluntary association.
Simple.
If you want to stay, you stay. If you have reason to leave, you leave. I think he has exercised that right, democratic right to belong or to withdraw. After all, he joined us only 2016 at the eve of his own election. So leaving the APC is not, from our point of view, is good riddance to bad rubbish.
Correct.
If you were in Edo, as Edo people, they didn't even know him.
Yeah.
You know, I have not been talking because he's a member of our party. I cannot run down my party.
Correct.
But the moment he resigned now, we cannot engage him on all the half-truth.
That's correct, Baba.
And etc.
Now so.
The issue of his disqualification has to do with the forgery with his certificate.
Okay.
Now, when you forge certificates, as we have seen, particularly recently in Bayelsa, where we won an election, and on account of irregularities in the certificates or name, we lost it at the Supreme Court level. Only a foolish political party will now not pay due attention to meticulously screen those who wishes to contest election on your platform. That is the issue. And you know what? We want him to go to PDP. Because it was PDP that exposed him in 2016. They filed a case at the Federal High Court, amplifying the forgery and inconsistencies in his certificate.
Correct.
It's not APC, he was with us. We managed to go.
It was PDP that exposed Governor Godwin Obaseki. It wasn't APC. You know, just like Baba Osho said, it was because he was still a member of APC. That is why a lot of people have quiet. Now that Governor Godwin Obaseki is in Eza, is no longer a member of APC, it is time for our father, Comrade Adamali Oshomole, to engage. We are going to send People Freedom Movement TV, the power of social media in Edo State, to Abuja, to go and meet our amiable leader. If they have to stay there forever, not my business. Every time, the message has to be coming out. That is number one. Number two, we will make sure we engage the enemy on social media by any way. Anyhow you call her, are they there? I have single-handedly take on all of you on social media. The whole Europe belongs to Yeye Obaseki. I will not give me 1 minute. Let me share this video. I want everybody to share this video as I'm doing it. Just do your own. Let me do my own. That is the problem. I went to work to do 10 hours. Now I'm coming back. Social media is empty. None of you can do it. I am doing it. Why am I struggling to go to work? It's because I need the money to support Pastor Sage Ezeyamu and the freedom that we will need in Edo State. I need the money. I need the money. That is why I went to work. Now, social media was completely free for them. We were riding. They were riding. They were riding anyhow. Give me 1 second. Akataka for this time. You can't hear the Nagbini. Comrade Ada, God bless you. Let me quickly thank Brother Idris from Canada. God bless you. Thanks for supporting. I think so. Iyore Gift. Where's you? Richard Obawonyi. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. Where's he? Thank you. I saw it. Idris is sleeping, not Idris. Look at it. God bless you. I see it. Now, I want you to listen to our leader one more time. Comrade Adamali Oshomule is a man who single-handedly, they were riding, who single-handedly transformed Edo State to the level he is today. Before Comrade Adamali Oshomule, Edo people did not know what development looked like. We know how Edo State was during PDP time. You know, I'm an independent man. Independent PDP, independent. I'm in APC because of Pastor and Oshomule. Anywhere Oshomule go, now there they go. If Oshomule leave APC, I leave. I did there. If Pastor leave, I go follow him. And anywhere they go, my people go follow me. Oh, okay, Pharaoh, let my people go. Obaseki. Now bad head. I will remember you the time of Ovorame tonight. As they are waking up in the morning, they will come make this video. Information have reached me that every morning, if Obaseki wake up for bed, now my platform they first go. People Freedom Movement. They say when you go check her, you go see everything that I write. You go see every video that I did. Tomorrow morning, as Godwin Obaseki is waking up and his cabinet, they say now my page, then they first go every morning. We don't hear that information. Bam. That's fine. Area. My people, no sleep. I live here. I don't do 10 hours. I just do 10 hours this today. And I come here and I do live video. I want you to listen. Wait Baba tell Obaseki. Before Osho, nobody know Obaseki. The only time we know Obaseki, now the history when his father take betrayed Ovorame. If you give our family, Obaseki family power, they're not the returnable. To drive that power with them, or to take that power from them, they go drag you, not until you die, or they go sell you out, just like they sell Ovorame, just like they betrayed the Edo people. You remember during that time when they tell Obaseki to return that name, that Obaseki titleship, till tomorrow they not return her. It deal with them. So what is different? Huh? Comrade Adamali Oshomule make Godwin to become what it is, and he want to bring Comrade Adam. It's not a new thing. It's in their blood. They not even tell him boy. Obaseki wa mwetinia. Loreto, Obaseki family, they feel betrayed them. Not to talk of a Comrade Adamali Oshomule. It's not a new thing. The family they are like that. You that is clapping with them are wicked. Waiting on God may go take your eye do eh? Governor Wike, you know say me I love you. I'll be your number one fans. Waiting God will not say he go take your eye do. Governor Wike, you go sleep. You go to cry for inside sleep. You don't know who that they call Godwin. Godwin, you don't know who be Godwin. Who now when they cry for them, whether na Gideon or whatever they call that useless man when go jump enter seat when not be home. I want to tell you people, if Oshomole go down, I go follow him. If he go up, if he like, make him not remember me, God go remember me. Pastor Sage Yamu, God forbid if they go down, I will follow him. It's my brother. Oh, say now me I love of you remember the other day they go to form a group for Canada. This their group when they not fit talk anything. I don't tell my brother. I tell my brother Taju. I say Taju for Canada where you dey. Taju they tie hand. They tie Taju hand, oh, not be Taju photo. They tie Taju hand. If they leave that Canada for Taju, una way they home. It to say they leave her for Taju, we go know as it be. They go carry doctor, Conte head Taju. That's why I hear them complain don't fool my. Now he was small boy. Can't come out for America here. Where we did now for US. Where pastor people for US? Where them? Where there? They go hide. I heard some of them in Dallas. Where are they? They hide. Food is ready supporter. If you say me they bring money, let's bring money to help pastor. They bring. Anything you tell them. But they want to be the one to carry fire. Doctor group. And this is a message to my brother. I go still call you privately. If you change your campaign to Doctor campaign, go and ask for more election how it be, how market. If you change that to Doctor campaign, the how market. All these people, the way they carry doctor, they oppress Taju or Moruyi for Canada. We will not tolerate it. What is the, tell me the impact that year group. Tell me the impact. What is their impact since? Since morning, I did video before I go to work, when I was on my way to work. I come back. How many videos now see Destiny? I know, have you seen any video that any group did? Pro Pastor, pro Oshomole? Have you seen one? My people, now don't see one. Make una tell me yes or no. Wabua mumu ma agbo what is the caller? Why why? Georgia, God bless you. In your way. Oh, leave her. No let her run like that. Make her bless her with curse before he come up, because I not call and come here. Make her bless her with curse. Faith. Joy, ese awati yen. Ojo ese wa gbe wa beravi you are. Iwe mweko ere. Wa beravi you are. Ohun vora me wakin. Wa gbe o awo gbonisan. Wa mi magbon. Oya hwen ware of your never. Wisdom, faith, God bless you. I appreciate your support. Thank you. Thank you so much. My adult people. Iranomigo degidigba. No shaking. Comrade Adamali Oshomole 24/7. No shaking. If not be Comrade Adamali Oshomole, who be Godwin? Who be Godwin? This terrorist Abatobaze, I warned you the other day. I say your case is like this. You that is looking at people in Yash, if your information don't reach my hand, make you just be careful. You know, be careful with your mouth. The way you take drive your mama come up for your house, your own mother. The way you take drive and come up for her. Now you say life. Now they talk about pot. The way you Albert, you not carry your mama saying a winch. Now make you not born. After you don't take your I will talk tomorrow. Make them watch. As you take go do for inside your wife belly. Ho ho ho. Where it make you go carry blood. Albert, where you take your destiny, take go chop money. As money not come, you go meet people. Say, now your mother ask you, say, oh, we may one ayari as you go, we be no my go or mono. Una your mo. About your cassava they work. About terrorist about your cassava they work. You went with her. About on winner. We're setting the quomo. We're setting the quomo. Uru and boy. Or we're not digging on our go to on our go ni some of it. Or my way, information what you get a bell for me, ya to a gumene. Or you get a bell tomorrow. Umana ruin wagwe. If I hear pam a battle shomule or pam a bapaso sagezayamu, I go open. Now we know why you are supporting Obaseki. Because both birds of the same feather flows together. Two of them get cassava, but not they can walk. If you want tomorrow, come and watch me. I will narrate as you take born. I will narrate them for you. The everything from A to Z. But I will tell you, when I send this video to her. I will narrate everything. One returner. You hear her? Now foolish people, they listen to you. Foolish people. Zombie. You hear me? That is for you. Give me 1 second. So, my other people, Godwin Obaseki is a man with no party. That's number one. Obaseki family have been like that. Today is not the beginning of Comrade Adamale Oshomole is not the last person they will beat. And it's not the first person. They have fought our palace. They not fought our palace. Not be they betrayed our palace. Obaseki family. Not be the cell of Baovara may not be the betrayer. Not be the family. A whole about Bini. Now this say governor family. He said like betrayed Baovara for mirror. Uwegbe Nayari. Is it a new thing that he betrayed Oshomole? It's not a new thing. It's what we expect. But we thank God that Comrade Adamale Oshomole have learned. He learned his lesson. When he was trying to change, Comrade Adamale Oshomole is like Iranomigo. Once he go in for person, it will be in. I will not blame him. I will not blame him. Once it's for you, it's for you. You know, but I believe by the power of the miraculous Red Bible, this Red Bible never tell me say Oshomole not be chairman. Very soon I go here. Oshomole na the authentic APC national chairman. If it not happen, this Bible, where I will go put on, I will carry, I send and go Amagba. If Oshomole they not reinstate Oshomole, I will send this Bible to Amagba. Because na Amagba it can't be home of the demons like Abatobaze. You heard me? So give me 1 second. I need to share this video. Attack my Facebook. I know they're going to continue to do it. Should the case if they attack my Facebook, just come to YouTube. Just like Comrade Adamale Oshomole said, Obaseki, nobody knows him. I want to play one more time before we go to Dengue Dengue.
Party is a voluntary association.
Yes. If Obaseki leave APC, he not get APC again. He not APC. Make it they go. We not bad. It's not a new thing. Make it a go. You don't get party now.
A political party is a voluntary association. If you want to stay, you stay. If you have reason to leave, you leave. I think he has exercised that right, democratic right to belong or to withdraw. After all, he joined us only 2016 at the eve of his own election. So leaving the APC is not, from our point of view, is good riddance to bad rubbish. If you were in Edo, as Edo people, they didn't even know him.
Okay. Yeah.
You know, I have not been talking because he's a member of our party. I cannot run down my party. But the moment he resigned now, we cannot engage him on all the half-truth.
Correct.
Disinformation and etc. The issue of his disqualification has to do with the forgery with his certificate.
Okay.
Now, when you forge certificates, as we have seen particularly recently in Bayelsa, where we won an election, and on account of irregularities in the certificates or name, we lost it at the Supreme Court level. Only a foolish political party will now not pay due attention to meticulously screen those who wishes to contest election on your platform.
Correct.
That is the issue. And you know what? We wanted to go to PDP because it was PDP that exposed him.
Correct.
In 2016.
Correct.
They filed a case at the Federal High Court, amplify the forgery.
Baba, God bless you. God bless you, Osho Baba. Let me tell you. What is the, you see, what is the headline? What is the title? What do you see there? No Comrade Adam Aliu Oshomole, no APC. No Pastor Sage Iseyamu, no APC. Oshomole go, we go. Comrade Adam Aliu Oshomole, don't mind that useless. This morning they were celebrating before a Tico, before the dance obodo, before the Toran, story change. Obaseki is gone forever. Now all this illiterate, all this uneducated nuisance that are supporting Obaseki, they don't know the difference between good and bad. God, the Obaseki have already resigned from APC. He's no longer a member. Shaibu, he don't come out. Even terrorist Abat Obaze, he even born Destiny, send me that video when they born APC this thing. Send me the video. Make a show on a Shaibu video. Yeah. Destiny, send me the video. Nah, send it to me. Send me the video. Before then, make una enjoy with this. Pastor Sage Iseyamu all the way. Correct. Who don't get work make it go down? I know they go again. Now Oshomole is the father. Yes. Anything you like, call him. You don't concern me. Pastor Sage Iseyamu is the next governor. Say that go Destiny. Hello, Mama Ish. Mama Ish. Koyo. Mudia, Oma Claire, caught her with a big call.
Oh, okay.
Oma Claire. God bless you, my brother. That's Idris. Idris, I don't give you credit. Well, I'll be here before. God bless you, Idris. Thank you. Agmolaho one or Megui one. Where's you? God bless you, Idris. Thank you so much. Thank you. We are waiting for Mama H and Destiny to send me this video. A video when it's share Babana Destiny send Egumen. No ya aru na yegbo hu. Oh na na setting na kwamo. No ye carry as go. Hello. When I na ye na gwa hia na ka gwa na te gwa tenegbe akoya na.
Nuna we ni nyata mawe 3 points can give. Now as for Osomole, that is not negotiable anywhere.
Correct.
Out of 23 members or 60 people are with Osomole. So it's not majority.
Correct.
I was trying to call people to journalists and that
they just attack my YouTube. Hold on. Mama H, hold on. Mama H, hold on. They just attack my YouTube.
All they do is to call.
Mama H, hold on.
I never knew those people can be so innocent.
Okay, I think it's coming back now on. It's coming back now. Okay. All right, go ahead, Mama H. Go ahead.
Yes, like I said I never knew I thought people can be so ethnocentric. I don't know what Osomole has done to them.
Okay.
Oh, okay, there something happened between Osomole and Godwin. Where the president called and said, I will send the Senate member, Senate committee. He said, I don't trust them. He saw this man, Baba Akonde, from Oyo State. He said, I don't trust them. Who did he trust? Who is he?
Okay.
Ogbonisano? I cannot see this one. Many people not see this one talk. All they say, good for him, they are happy. Celebrating or somebody. It's not, Osomole has not fallen at all. Instead, he's climbing up. So
Amen. Oh, yes.
He made before. He's correcting it. That's
Correct.
why I asked them, where were you people in 2015? Yes, that was the truth because it was PDP that said Godwin has no certificate. Osomole thought maybe they were just using it to tease him at that time. He didn't believe them. So if he has taken him, what happened to Bayelsa State would have happened again, and they would be blaming him.
Okay. What hell? Tell me,
so as for that Godwin Obaseki, it's a fact. It's not a Natamawe. Correct fact. But they have the betrayal blood.
Okay.
So that's what is his name? Governor Wike of Rivers State. He should be careful. He should be careful of him. Wike knew before Wike went for his election. He knew where he came to get blessing. So if you want to use Godwin Obaseki to disrupt Edo State, he should wait for the wrath of Edo land.
Okay.
Wike knew where he came to before he went into an election in that River State. So you better be careful.
Okay. Governor, go ahead.
Your Bible, you are going to throw away in Amagba. Mega, let me tell you, Amagba is a blessed area. Don't throw, your Bible will not be throwing it. If I tell you want to... Listen.
Go ahead.
Eba Magba. That Amagba was created by Oba Adolo son, which is the descendant of Eba Magba. Oba Adolo is from Eba Magba is a descendant from Oba Adolo. So Amagba is not a bad place at all. It's a blessed land.
Okay, good. When you are about to marry, another setting the Cuomo, a setting the Cuomo, Awe vinana winner. Awe winner. Awe winner. Awe iye ori biye. Ori biye iya wana awebo. Ori awebo. Ne ori ni ayami maga. Omaga asigo omangwina. Obori mangwina. Ona buye ade. Iye no ro waya wo every day. Oja agbiye okuye iwaro hu no carry. We no egwa ya dayi. We no buka ya we mi ohu no omona no go na. O mi injection. We no wa game. Omona mama e oye love na kokoma ma we omolo de. We no wa game. E bi do we no share no na you hear me.
We go protect them. If they like, let's work or 200.
The people when tell me they say they go download everything from A to Z. They are ready to even come on social media.
It's not, they are not going, whatever. It just shows that they are lunatics. They don't have a sense of political knowledge. They don't have. If they do, they will not be coming out and say, somebody has been suspended. He didn't say remover. So he can still even go to court of appeal. He can go to Supreme Court.
Mama, you don't need to go there. Home, no.
I'm not saying, for example, at all, but it's not going there at all.
It's not going to Supreme Court. Somebody will come back by the power of the miraculous Red Bible. Magba, Osomole must come. You know, where's it?
I just want to tell you where Amagba, MIC or River.
Usone bo Amagba, so bo Amagba ni o ma si no, abi?
The descendants of Badolo.
Okay, very good.
The descendants of Badolo ni, or the last son of Badolo.
Okay. Okay. Uwesi Mama Hish, Uwesi. Yeah, no problem, Uwesi. Olobori Edo, Owaki Owofe, Etaga Lion Edo. I know they how they come they do for social media. If as terrorists about Obaze, whenever they lie, you know they enter, he go wait, make a come out first. So that make it forget viewer. Unless he first me enter, now me they enter. So that I go draw down. Person when not feel pregnant in wife. Not be say they not give her, God not give her cassava. He take and go do juju. They can go do rituals. Money ritual. He not work, he begin to beat him mama for house. Or he drive him mama come out for house. How can such people have mercy upon anybody? Now the same bad man now with God we get. What did they call her? Mama na avi and be waiting. Gwagwe one abi avi and yat ye. Avi. Ima where there? Ima I don't know the name. What did they call her? Yes, yeah. So that is it. First of all, I want to congratulate this wisdom faith, who believe in God, who believe in truth. Today, the difficult period, he decided to join People Freedom Movement YouTube. Put your hands together for PFM YouTube new member. Wisdom Faith have officially become a member of People Freedom Movement. Look at it. So, congratulations. Edo people, the way you people treated Comrade Adamali Oshomole, Akataka, the whole social media, whether na uke, whether na handicap, na blood man, blood woman, all of them just forget road when they follow one Oshomole tar for them. They all supported Godwin Obaseki because of money. Because of money. Anyone that come out and said it's not because of money, challenge me. Because some of them call me, they ask me, they say, how much comrade go pay them? How much pastor go give them? I tell them, pastor not they give money. Comrade not they give money. He never give me penny. They say, Then it now Obaseki go give them money. That is why you see all of them. They just line up. The whole world. Now only me, voice of justice, maybe one or two other person. For in terms of a blog, John Mayaki, that one they try. They try. Tony Kabaka. Anytime Tony come out, now headache for them. Even they try to do whatever it takes to bring Tony down. But they're not fit. And I get news for now. I want to congratulate Benikidon. I've heard it through Igehon for a successful court decision that they took today. I thank God. I celebrate with them. And it's disappointing that all these people, they did not fight Mokife the way they are fighting Comrade Adamali Oshomole. They did not fight for the palace the way they are fighting for governor. That is where you will not know. That is where you will not see the truth. So they choose to fight for Obaseki, but not our palace. Abi? Not be so? Well, yeah. Well, yeah, benana. The other was 10 hours, yeah, 1 hour, 2 hours. Don't want to do ya where ya fefe. Yemegwa, Obera, or Maso. So, my people, I want to lay down. Give me my Bible. I have a breaking news. Do you all want to hear the breaking news? Do you all want to hear the breaking news? Put your hands together for our palace. Oba Atokpe, he said, Baba, where's you? Oh, where's it? Where's it? Oba Nedo, where's it, Baba, where's it? Oba Obini, thank you so much. I came today to thank you, not for one reason, for many reasons, but for this one. I want to break the news to the whole world. So, the way this enemy of palace, enemy of Belinard, Onakbikuyewo, Godwin Obaseki, destroy Tony Kabaka hotel, try to turn Tony Kabaka to what he is not. Couple of hours ago, Umohu, Uwese Baba, let me speak Benin to say it before English. I saw it do Umohu, Uwese. Oguwe gwa, le Tony no yadu. Owe ni pa we Baba, esenu niye. Oba Atokpe, he said. Owu dana Obaseki, uwe na wajena. Ori gwowe otene. Ibabari Tony. Ona we eko eri ya mio oheke no mirai. O tonegede gbe. Owe na wa fiamu ni Tony Kabaka. Umogun, eba mi gwa wese o. Uwese o. Ubere yedo. Owe na fia e Tony ni mawe Tony ya irowe online de ade. E Tony o monoba nedo ewa ogidi ga ora Atokpe era menoge o to no we na afia ni Tony awa aseti la awe no fe ko ahien no yari bai no gwen dole doye awe no fe ko fia e ote gwale no ave boyiwo obi me so pa yen politician yen ki asie gbe no ame wa le sirien we la na miena again gwanyi so ewa ogidi gan o wese ne Tony Kabaka ese no hwahwa gbo ba me egwa wese gbo ba me gbo wa e me gbo ba me egwa wese Averion ba, oriebo. Ni magwa le peace. Ni magwa le winoma, that Tony, waya songu. Again, one up, territory one hour, I have evidence in the Wamami Pariri, if I bought Pekuniluwa. No way to Nick Belua. Unuwa, Eva Laeti, a motone. Oh, why are you so? Why are you? Tony no the Kabaka. Ego paro no ala yagbe. Obi egwa. Nerororo eno. Oba atokpe wese baba mohun. Wese o oni na arewa. Uwi baba una. Let me tell the whole world. Oba of Benin is the best Oba in the whole world. After Governor Godwin Obaseki demolish his own son, Hotel, a son of Edo land. Oshiomule Comrade Adamalu Ali Oshomule's son, district governor, Comrade Tony Kabaka Adu. When the palace saw the way things are going, he decided to cut a very large land at Sapler Road, commercial zone. And he told him, be selling that land, build another hotel if you, whenever God bless on that land, and be using it to feed yourself and your family. How many Oba is doing that? How many Oba they do one for Nigeria? That is a word. A word is enough for a wise man. A Tony Waroviana. A Baba West, you know. What making I go to work coin? Make una ten no say una no get sense. Kateosa Okubo. Where they come in, they say Kateosa Okubo is close over the old Benin people. They begin to say, Era amigo. Person when he close to Baba, I must say, I can't ask question. I told him, say, not true. I must stop. But today, Governor Obaseki, they fight Kateosa Okubo. Benin people, they support Governor Obaseki. You know, see how these people, as their brain is malfunctioning. We are begging Yamaba, Yani Wabu way. We marry to Yamaba. Eh? Okay? Or when they support the governor now, the governor go away, the Babana with you, I didn't why you want to go back. Who back? Oh, we'll back. Oh, why? Every man, I play politics. Admit Tony, or in Masseville Kaji. Where have a meal? When I burn the rubbish, may you regret your comment. Then I burn the rubbish, I mean, when if they bring Oshomule back tomorrow, now go say that I'm going to do una when right now, so if you not come back all right, now we'll go kill you. Pastor Sage Zeyamu no they go nowhere. Breaking news. Osaro Obaze is son of Edo land or Monomo. Imawe or Monomo. Osaro Obaze or Monomo Waron. Osaro Obaze have withdrawn to contest or have withdrawn to be APC aspirant in this upcoming gubernatorial election in Edo State. And he have thrown all his support to his father, Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu. And here is the surprising thing that surprised him today. There might not even be a primary. Odubu is not the problem. We heard information that Odubu is contacting Obaseki secretly, his people. We are going to hold Dr. Pius Odubu Egberame accountable. If Orion Woma did not become a governor, if Pastor Sage Zeyamu did not become a governor, we will hold him responsible for it. Odubu, go and withdraw your paper. Go and support your junior brother. Eri Ekorion will tie. It also if I no gulu egbe liberi atai. I will not be well. Afwe. Kiva pubere wa ladia. Una la pamare ni ana mi o ma weni. Oni esineti uyo. Entity si uyo. Ero pa uyo. Wa fe ko amoja yo tun. Mama wile o pa oge won yi wa ko. Mama wile so ba se wa we. It will now become consensus ticket. Consensus ticket. If Odubu go, if we even hear say Odubu, you don't see Orion Road. That's why we be now. Why some people might be like this? Why some people might, since Orion people they die for sea, Odubu never donate 1,000 naira. May they rescue them. And when I will talk now, they'll begin to call me Iranomigo, I beg now, hey, we wo, la wo. I tell you now, I say, Odubu, 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 Odubu. I tell you now, if not true, say you they contact Obaseki indirectly. Abba, Odubu, say if you not get him, you go spoil him. He dey your neck. Oru. Or waru. Dey your neck, dey Odubu neck. Even they even bring, they do one right of, they say Odubu was even, we know they try to deny her. They not celebrate. Odubu, what the Orion do you Odubu? They give you deputy governor 8 years. You not dig borehole. You not give us water. Nothing when you do. Waiting we do you. Which crime we commit Odubu? Odubu. Waiting pastors against Zayamu do you when you can't be igrat of an Orioma or Odubu. The primary now only 2 people. Why do you want to waste our money? Why do you want to endanger innocent Edo citizens? Just go tomorrow, call your brother, withdraw. But I do a consensus. Wanna give pastor ticket so that I can go to Abuja and collect a ticket. Osho Baba have done what Napoleon could not do. Now he carry Obaseki come. Now he still carry Obaseki come out. Put your hands together for Osho Baba. Osho Baba. Osho Baba. Osho Mule have done what Napoleon could not do. Obaseki have never been nobody. Not even to go and protest. Not even this Mama Ish. Let me ask this were they here? I see my people were there. Olodere yari omo yo like o ati e. Avi, abi yati e. What they call her? Well are there? IVF. Imbecile. I stand for imbecile, right? V stand for virus. F stand for fade. Abi? IVF. We'll talk about IVF versus Abatobaze. We'll talk of her. We will talk of her. Or one not digging. It is easier to Abaze as Abati was a year. He say, Mama na witch. Abat, na carry Mama witch. No be say they say he beat him Mama. Say the Mama come up for a house because if they do yahoo. He take in brokers, go take do rituals. They say, they feel pregnant woman. He know they feel pregnant woman. He marry woman. The woman, they no born. That one cry. Now you, on a boy, ubi, boy. Oh, he be here, azohi, azen, wow, he beat him, Mama, anyhow. Make it come out tomorrow, make it address this. Whether he never first marry a woman when he not born for her, when he say na Mama, na he cause and Mama say not be hey mo where we be as he go to ya no. Now his family tell me one of his cousin, he say he own too much. He say he be the support of Obaseki. He said because of Abat, he no go do him again. Owasigo no yo mo egbe. Yahoo Azigo Yahoo ritualist. Anytime he come online, now that one I go there. I'm gonna ask him about IVF. Me could ask. I'm not going to talk everything yet. Make I reserve some. See, on a normal set, normal see okbia. Normal see a vehicle why. All ladia or la. Wak be giggle. On a royal yasin go then. Oh yeah, ladia. We don't la. He carry the not Benny. Oh me wagon. Foolish people. Okay, person the right and say no be lie. That's why I see and say Idris you not God. Where say? Wait, I not they go work. Tomorrow I do video. So now we just prepare. Because we not the fit do video. We not the fit support. Now me go say make I go work. We go leave the social media empty. They go just occupy. Once they occupy, among 1,000 people, 100 go listen to them. They go believe their propaganda. If they don't see person where go come talk through like as they talk, Oshomole not they go anywhere. It not they go anywhere. Make I not talk a few days, now till 7 days. Now we see Oshomole. Now we see it not they go anywhere. Because many people then say if house not big person, outside not the big person. Uwama boma we setting. No be people for that Esako. Abi, if not be Oshomole, nobody know them all. And at them, now they go to that Kagaru, whatever they call it. Their eye don't declare now. It don't declare. Uwama boma, Oshomie, very me. Now so me too I see you. Now God nice time for me. If not be truth and this Bible, now so me too I see. So that is it. We are going to enjoy for 10 minutes. Tomorrow, we can ready. Facebook and YouTube. Somebody sent me a message. Said why they off Facebook. I think we have another new member. Agbon Laho Omegwe 1, right? He's been a member, right? Agbon Laho Omegwe. You see, this critical time, he become a member. Tell him to answer. I think he has been a member. Omegwe 1. Omegwe 1. Okperi weke gbele. Where member weka hin? Where Agbon Laho, he become a silver member. Welcome to the team. PFM YouTube members, I want you all to welcome Agbon Laho Omegwe 1. He's been doing a standing job. Welcome to the team. Welcome to PFM. Tomorrow, the reason why I always off the Facebook, when I know they share, 1. Number 2, they always attack it. It's easy for them to hack. If you people are sharing it, I won't be cutting it off. Once I concentrate on YouTube, I have to announce people. You know, when they come here, you got to, if you want to popular, the easiest way to become popular, now mega company platform, People Freedom Movement. If you put 1 naira there, I go talk am. If you put 50 kobo, I go talk am. Easy. Like Idris now, anywhere you go, say who is she? Say I'm the Idris of Canada, or Ogwali of New Zealand. Ogwali is working 24 hours now. That is why it's not on air. It's not with us. You know, New Zealand, they don't get Corona free. So Ogwaliwo is working so that I can raise some money that he will use to support Pastor Sage Zeyamo. So that is it. Tomorrow, brothers and sisters, now digging go be. So Moku end this one. If you want to spend 5 more minutes with us, you can come to YouTube. God bless you. And a good night, everyone.
Shine your eyes,
Obamoyi. God bless you. That's right. Makate. That is my song. Anywhere you go tomorrow, you say, who are you? You say, I'm Makate. They say, oh, Makate of Moscow, of Russia. Money when I take banning a million. You go build 3 upstairs. Today now, 1,000 euro can make you become popular. Everywhere. You see, Makate. Wow. Osho no dey go nowhere. Pikin when he say he papa no go sleep, he sef no go sleep. Obaseki no get party. Make them tell una which party dey. PDP don't reject am. Governor Wike, I love you so much. Make una call this video, send am to una. Governor Wike, I love you. If you know who be Godwin Obaseki, you go borrow leg take run. Now family, now betrayed Uvorame. They know if you give them small power, Governor Wike, now you Obaseki go beat last. Makate! Wow! Where say Lucky Eweka? God bless you. See ya. Obey. Wagakbe Pastor Sagi Zeyamo all the way. Una when not command now when it is hard. Una when they carry doctor degree. Kai, that time coming when they want say how many appointments or how many appointments they go give Tony Kabaka. Make a come here say una say na this or that. Na me and Tony. Now go the year and we'll begin to play band for street. We go begin to play band for street. Now go get am. Anything Tony want, Amigo want, it must be done. As when I had now, when I went be done start to create a year group. Moku yera. Where the pastor ticket now? When I wait, today's date now. 17, right? Wednesday 17, 2020. You go see them, they'll begin the printing shirt. You will see there. Before I enter line right now, who I call? Now, Comrade Tony Kabaka. Since morning, I'm with her. They phone. I didn't say walk home. If I see a call, I will just quickly come out. Answer. That's how we have been struggling in this. We are together. We are together. No shaking. I just tell you, say, make it no work. Osho, you know, see as Comrade Adamali Oshomule respect the judiciary. Osho Baba, Osho calculator, Osho smarter, Osho smart. You see, he tell them say, he respect the order of the court. So, not be tomorrow go come now. If court say Obaseki, Marco, una go still respectable because Osho don't set good example. He did my belly, he did your belly. Let's enjoy. Makate one. Tomorrow, Hey, they go they do video. Me, I go they do here. I go just sit down here. They play music. They play music. I will just they play music. Some go say, "Ranomigo, this man not tired." They say, "You the shame, self. Your papa the shame. Your papa the shame." I know they fight. So I no go stop him. Area was say, "We pastor Gbowa." Pastor Sagi Zeyamo is the next governor. It now Odubu and pastor are the legitimate. Odubu need to just go. Odubu, me even know Odubu. Me even know Simihi. I by force I have governor. My vote in way. Simple. Area was say, and I'm here tomorrow. I want war. Even be your petini. Yeah. Makate. Follow the leader. Follow the master. Follow the master. Oh, show Baba. Where's your photo? Is a Yamo. They make me happy. Irano Migo. Oh, hello. Now, Magwalo to no Shawa Yeke. Mama Hesh.
Maybe I'll beg you, not say you see why I. Oh, obviously.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, mafia. Oh, mafia. Huh? Mama Heshi. Heshi me. Oh, mafia. Heshi me. Call you no tell me what I. Call you no tell me what I. Ta, they get ta. Yeah, where's the game where? Hello.
Hello.
We walk what tell me what I. Ta.
Okay, it must come out. It must come out where about the go to body.
Idobo.
But also, Ben, there is nothing one there.
Umaye si one with the best one. Odubu. Odubu pariro na. Where Odubu lawa. Odubu lawa. Bayuere. 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 Wahey. Dem way you have. Huh? We do boy, your ear one, oh, cow, you mean, or you all Kayahirane. He yabe na vijade.
God will not pay 2 million at Fabio. Don't make sure where am I yet and the Manuel. Oh, where you buy where you sold him.
Area Waha. Ian will have remove a comrade. Yena bete bi agogo erima ho yagbena le platform ba iye gisiena akobe muere owe
ma si one ya si one no da ko
guy carry again na ko esa kwere a ko esa kwe ko esi akwe o malala dia ma na awa na
eni ka le da zo no ma on the tv do ma eni ka le da zo awa na dubu o dubu. If Odubu just start that tomorrow, that's it. Pastor Sage Zeyamu is the APC ticket bearer. Ozeyamu de komo. Izayamu de komo. Izayamu de komo. Uno laka make it come up for Udo. Mama Eshi no ga. Mama Eshi no ga. Yeah.
Imo se gbose no biye iye wo dede wo kamiye do kamiye jakakune eya Odubu la wo wera me ya era ne go bury your papa fe my papa da bury am my grandpapa da bury am sad me ma mi Odubu ke o ma ye ya wo ma era ya wata ma me no we my everywhere we ask me that governor where the meaning there but you have to give your father respect huh igbe wa we me o mama e ata mama o I can solely ale ba confirm ene tomorrow ma confirm if not true so if not true, on my Wesley, let's enjoy. Makate no more. Wesley, what time is it in Moscow, in Russia? What time is it? My lovely daughter and the Facebook. Facebook, you all need to be learning how to come to YouTube. Because we are trying to teach a lot of people something. If you are hearing say na so, nothing happen. Obaseki have no home. You not get party. Which party there? PDP, they don't roll. That's why I never announced PDP. PDP, they tell and say, look, they don't collect, so the PDP job make. When they say, I love to talk until tomorrow. Till tomorrow. Tomorrow, waiting to bed the tenant. Now tomorrow. Ubede yama. Ya tawa hwe. ahwe awata e bo amagba ya wo ma se no so e wa ha oni bana de mo be na we ro ya ahwe ya e bo amagba abati o keke no paware oni no mu yazen ona mu yazon na gbe yen ware o ma be ye ma ti be de kadi o ma be de mo pa ni ye ona gbe ye ona gbe ona gbe wora mu ya we ni ado fen body yazen o yazen